direction. Just where we'll point that bow, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
So, lifers, we finna get out here and do a little work in the garden. I'm gonna try to bring y'all along best I can. I might have to go get a big tripod, put y'all on today. Not sure. But I'll show y'all what we finna do. Alright, first thing we're gonna try to do today is dig this yucca up. I'm gonna try to set y'all up where y'all can see it as I do a little physical labor. Playing with this new camera, so I hope everything works out. Alright, I'm finna get to work whooping on it. Probably should have brought my big tripod. I really need a mic for this camera. Y'all are sitting in the dirt. How y'all like that? Try to get this yucca up. Oh, that was pretty easy. I know y'all can't see me right now, but I got something else. I think that ain't got a root system in it. Like my root. Like my root. So lifers, we got that done. Now, probably early in the morning, I'm gonna get out here, well, probably late this evening, because I got a few other things to do. I'm gonna get out here and spray the pre-emergent. I'm not gonna bring y'all along for that if y'all wanna watch that, because I don't have a fancy sprayer. I just got a hand sprayer. It's gonna take 2 hours to spray this garden. There's no sense in bringing y'all along for that. I hope y'all enjoyed this little short cringy video. Like, share, subscribe, and we gone.